It looks like ICP is gearing up to make a monster move. So in today's video, we're going to find out how we are planning to trade this next leg up. But before we get into that, a lot of you guys who are watching the videos, you're not subscribed. Now, if you don't subscribe, come here, Sibby. If you lot don't subscribe, the dog dies. Do you want him to die? You lot will be responsible for it. Look at him. If you lot do not subscribe right now, I'm going to throw him out the window. You want to say bye-bye to everyone, Sebby? Bye-bye. Alright. That was hard work. He's a big boy. Now, guys, there's going to be a lot of narratives in the next bull run to say who is the next Ethereum killer. In the last run, it was Solana / ADA / maybe AVAX, kinda. Now I can see it being ICP. ICP is the one true Ethereum killer, if there is one. Now, do I think that Ethereum will get killed? Probably not for a long time. But we are trading narratives. Now, guys, before we do get into exactly where I'm expecting this next leg of ICP's run to go to, I want to remind you guys of the potential that is in ICP. There is immense potential for market cap growth. Now, if we were to say that ICP could match Solana's market cap today, which is a $40 billion market cap, guys, I think that's very doable. Then that would mean we're going to get a 6.83x from where we are now, which is basically a 7x, $87 ICP, and that is on the lower end of what we were expecting. But what about if it hits Sol's all-time high market cap? That's going to leave us with a $170 ICP, or a 13x from today's prices. And yes, the total altcoin market cap, it is going to increase, and it probably will print a new all-time high in the next run, guys. But we have to be sensible with where we are aiming for. I'm starting to see a lot of YouTubers say $1,000 a lot more frequently now, and you guys know on this channel I've been saying 200 for a very long time. And again, it's just where I'll be starting to take my first batch of profit. But if we can reach Sol's all-time high, and Sol's probably going to print a new all-time high for its market cap, $170 should be pretty easily attainable. And if you don't know already, the Definity team are working day and night to make sure this thing stays deflationary. The more you use the NNS, the more it burns. The more messages you send on open chat, the more it burns. Guys, they are trying to make this deflationary, and I know a lot of people have concerns about more tokens coming available to the market, but the more that this gets used, the more tokens are going to get burned. And even if we extended that to the NFT ecosystem, if people want to mint NFTs, if they want to buy and sell, trade NFTs, all of these things are going to contribute to the deflationary mechanics of ICP. And speaking of NFTs, guys, I mean, the trading volume for ICP is still looking not too bad. I mean, you can see the floor prices of the canisters still sitting at 48% down on the trading volume for the week, but then you've got things like the district pods up 34.78% and a total of 22,000 volume. Now, guys, I mean, we're still very early in the NFT ecosystem for ICP. Websites like Yummy, for example, you know, it's just so easy to use, very good to look at. The UI is really nice in my opinion. Then that's when you're going to start to get more developers come in, and they're going to want to list new projects onto these platforms as well. And that's what's going to really help the NFT ecosystem grow in the long term. But at the moment, you know, the fact that not many people are still clued up to NFTs on ICP, the fact that we're still getting thousands of ICP volume, I think the dog's going to die. Did you lot haven't subscribed yet, have you? Time's ticking. Now, I know a lot of you are probably thinking, all right, stop waffling, show me where we are aiming for this breakout, Lex. What is... You made me click on this video and you're not telling me anything about the breakup. Now, I posted this in the Patreon last night, and I said to you guys, I'm keeping an eye on this area here, and I'm waiting to see if we can break out of this resistance. And if we do break out of this resistance, then I will be longing. And that is why, if you're not in the Patreon, you guys need to go and join. It's $9.99 a month, and we're posting market watch, regular updates, active trades, portfolios, whether it's gaming, AI, low cap gems, main portfolio, which is low risk. I'm always in there, guys. So if you want to go and join, $9.99. You're going to learn a lot of valuable insights in there, and not only just on what coins we're buying and selling, but on the market cycle and why I'm buying, why I'm selling, why maybe the trades are a little bit off right now, or, you know, why we're sort of backing up on the trades, why we're going heavier on the trades. We explain everything in there as well, guys. So definitely go and check it out if you want. But enough shilling. We are trying to long this thing to $18, guys, okay? We hit our new accumulation, and this is just separate from our main bags, okay? So if you don't want to trade and you're not looking to sell ICP, or you haven't even got enough money to be trying to, you know, you haven't even filled your bag up, should I say, then, you know, maybe this isn't for you. You can go and check out a different trade, whatever. We are starting to break out of this wedge now, guys, and we want to be taking a seat around here on the boat or on the retest, okay? We want to be taking a seat early before this thing starts to pump. Now, there's two ways we can do this, guys. We can either trade this breakout, or we can wait for the resume of the uptrend and then hope for a pullback for a longer term. Okay, now this is a bit more risky because we don't know exactly how far the pullback would be on this breakout, but I can say that I'm going to be aiming for this $18 ICP in this next leg up, guys, and it's looking like it's going to happen very soon. I mean, a lot of people did get shaken out around here because they were saying it's going to $6, guys. I've been getting flooded on my feed saying $6 ICP. Ha, I'm not buying it until 6. You don't know what you're talking about. I asked you guys in the poll, what's going to come first, 15 or 6? And the majority of you guys said 15, but then the comment said 6. But I do think that if we don't resume back into this channel and this isn't a fake out, then this could be pretty explosive pretty quickly. So it's up to you guys whether you want to act now. And again, if you don't have your ICP bags filled, I want to make it very clear to you, you need to just fill your bags first before you start messing with these trades, okay? And for all of you guys thinking, well, why should I fill my bags first? Let's take a recap right here. It's fast, scalable, secure, all on chain. Team is fantastic. They're pretty much number one for everything. The ecosystem is growing day by day. Beaver is the man. Are we going to have a return of the metaverse narrative? You guys can let me know. But if we are, it's going to be very cheap and easy to scale through internet computer, guys. And there's so much more. Like the Definity team said in that chat, you know, that the coin is just the crux of it, okay? There's so much more to ICP than just the coin price, and what they can do on ICP is amazing. Open chat, for example, if you launch a brand new coin on ICP, you can go straight into open chat and just trade it there, or swap it there, should I say, tip it to someone there. We created a group called Definity and Beyond, so I'll leave the link in the chat as I always do, and you can go and say hi in there. But guys, it's so easy. If I wanted to send you guys an ICP, I can just do it very, very easily via open chat, and there are going to be more things like this that do develop the ecosystem as we go. So while many people were calling for the $6 ICP, it's looking like it may not come. I will still have my just in case bag, and for all of you guys watching the video, don't be a degen and just ape in to ICP now because Lex said we're going for the next leg up. There could be a fake out and we could re-enter that wedge. And again, you can't just listen to one person's opinion. Don't just listen to mine. Don't just listen to some other random influencer. You guys need to be doing your own research and forming your own opinion as to why you think ICP is bullish or not. It's nearly 8 PM, guys, and it is time to relax. Let me know what you guys are doing with your weekend. Let me know what you guys think of ICP. Are you going to be following the next leg up? And I really do hope to see a lot of you in the Patreon. Let me know if you're planning on joining. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace.